Hi there. I am a computer-generated voice named Peter. In these two short videos, my colleague Tracy and I will provide an overview of GE's LED fixture line and also some information about replacement lamps and other products. GE has long been a premier manufacturer of light sources and ballasts. With the advent of LEDs, GE has now become a major fixture manufacturer. This video is going to show you GE's line of LED fixtures. The next one will focus on lamps.
All light sources are going to be replaced by light-emitting diodes, that is, LEDs. So you can imagine the wide range of configurations, lumen packages and applications that are going to be served by LEDs.
Ultimately, the task is to provide photons and to direct them where they are needed. LEDs are already the most efficient way of converting electrical energy into photons.
Yes, they can be 75% efficient, compared to incandescent, which is only 6 or 7% efficient.
We can separate GE's product offerings into indoor and outdoor products. In this 15-minute video, it is not possible to do justice to every fixture that GE offers. Therefore, we will focus on major successes in specific applications like industrial, office, retail and, later, roadway and outdoor.
You can see from this slide that GE has offerings that cover most applications. No matter what your need, there is a good chance that GE has one of the best fixtures for that application.
Yes, Tracy, and these products are available with GE's legendary quality and reliability testing behind them, and with solid warranties that GE is willing to stand behind. If any problem does occur, you can be sure that GE will be around to take care of it.
GE is here for the long run, not merely in the market to make a quick buck and exit.
Yes, you can take the doubt away by going with GE. We will start in the industrial space, which includes high bay, low bay and warehouse lighting. GE markets fixtures under the Albeo brand and has some of the highest efficiency fixtures that provide great flexibility in beam patterns, lumen packages and color temperature.
In addition to energy efficiency, there are great maintenance benefits. Traditional sources like HID and fluorescent are failing constantly, and the maintenance folks have to deal with burned-out lamps and ballasts all the time. With LEDs, provided they are well constructed, we would expect no failures at all until the rated life, at which time all the fixtures will need to be replaced with new fixtures, because the lumen output will have depreciated.
So, LEDs are replaced because of lumen depreciation, not because they are out.
Of course, product defects and occasional problems could result in an LED light going out, but this is not normal.
So, the three product families offered by GE in the indoor industrial marketplace are shown here. The ABV1 is a very popular universal source that is priced very competitively. It is small and light and packs a terrific punch, 9,000 to 12,000 lumens per unit.
2 units can be joined in a double that provides 18,000 or 24,000 lumens.
The ABH series, either ABH2 or ABH3, offer the flexibility of 1 to 6 modules in a single fixture, ranging in lumens from 6,000 to 60,000.
A single 6-bar ABH2 has been known to satisfactorily replace a 1,000-watt metal halide fixture in many applications.
Interchangeable plastic lenses allow a large number of beam widths and distributions to be obtained from the same base configurations.
The power supply and drivers are serviceable without loss of light.
Finally, the ABR series is a hazardous duty, IP66 rated sealed unit, usable in ambient temperatures as high as 65 degrees Celsius. This page shows some typical retrofit options. Note that a 400-watt metal halide lamp actually uses 460 watts in the fixture. It can be satisfactorily replaced with a 134-watt ABV1W unit or a 147W 2-bar ABH2 unit. These wattages are continuing to shrink downwards as more and more efficient LEDs become available.
It is important to note that the lumen numbers specified for HID is generally lamp lumens. The lumens actually coming out of the fixture are less. With LEDs, the lumen rating refers directly to the lumens coming out of the fixture.
With these wonderful LED options, we can go to a third of the wattage of HID and obtain lamp life that can be up to 5 times longer. These upgrades almost classify as a no-brainer.
The fixtures can also be ordered with wireless dimming or standard dimming, used with occupancy sensors. An industrial emergency backup LED light is also available.
Here is a page showing some linear units in lower lumen packages offered for low bay industrial ceilings, for stock rooms, distribution centers and retail lighting, etc.
The specification grade linear LC5 reaches, in some configurations, 159 lumens per watt, a truly stunning number.
This LC5 can be set up in continuous linear run of up to 600 feet with one single power drop and a quick connect for easier and faster installation.
Next, the ALV1 is a contractor-grade version of the ALC5, 50,000 hours instead of 100,000, and available only in a 70 CRI version.
And the ALR1 is a hazardous duty IP65 rated unit. Beyond this, we will not go into details on these linear fixtures here, referring you to GE's website at gelighting.com for more comprehensive information. Okay, now moving on to office and commercial ceilings. GE markets its fixtures under the Lumination brand name. The bulk of these are 2x2 and 2x4 fixtures, since that is the typical configuration of fluorescent fixtures present in today's offices.
Fluorescent fixtures are good, but LED fixtures are better, even better, or best, as shown in this diagram.
The basic BT or backlit troffer is a sealed unit with little flexibility, but great value for the money. Next, even better, is the backlit recessed, which we will show again on the next slide and explain some of its features. The architectural grade decorative is a set of stunningly beautiful finishes available in the basic 2x2 or 2x4 configurations. They provide visual interest and great light distribution.
Finally, the minimalist, ultra-thin profile of the edge-lit opens up creative opportunities that were unimaginable. It provides perfect diffuse uniformity of light in all directions.
The backlit recessed unit is shown here with the hinged door which offers easy access to the LEDs and the driver situated inside the fixture. A row of bright LEDs provides backlighting to a diffuse panel so that no dots are visible. This unit is generally recessed in the ceiling, providing a smooth, glare-free pane of light. Whichever GE LED product you choose, there are many advantages of LEDs over fluorescent. They are significantly more efficient and are the lowest energy option to light up a space.
They provide great controllability for daylight harvesting, dimming, etc., and there should be zero maintenance over the rated life of the product. This is unlike fluorescent, where lamps are failing all the time according to a statistical model of random failures.
Because of superior light distribution, indoor spaces come alive with uniformity and good vertical illumination.
All fixture and indoor as well as outdoor spaces are going to be replaced with LEDs. The only question is, when?
The replacement will involve some cost, but it is the correct thing to do for the long run. When you examine life cycle costs, LEDs are the most inexpensive way of lighting up a space. Next, GE's indoor suspended line of LED fixtures provide an attractive alternate way of illuminating spaces. At the top left you see the pendant, which is a 1x4 transparent sheet that lights up from LEDs at the edges, into a glowing pane of light, shining both upwards and downwards.
A clear, narrow band surrounds the edge of the fixture, making the light source appear to float, and makes it great for conference rooms, lobbies, and any space where the fixture itself is part of the architecture.
The blade or linear suspended is a similar clear pane, but vertical this time, that lights up and glows. It is great for spaces where vertical foot candles are important, for shelves, faces, etc.
The slotted suspended is great for offices where direct and indirect lighting is chosen.
Finally, the disc is an illuminated circle, again, great as a decorative fixture for lobbies and conference rooms. On the bottom line, the indirect suspended or IS fixture is one of GE's most successful lines and is being used in many retail spaces. It is one of the most efficient LED fixtures and is offered also with the high-performance, tri-gain, phosphor-giving stunning CRI9, also accompanied with an increase in lumens per watt. It is available in 4-foot and 8-foot lengths, and as much as a 150 feet linear run can be snapped in with just a single power drop.
We will show you some application pictures on the next slide.
Finally, the direct suspended is a new release proving to be very popular for retail spaces.
On this slide we show you some application shots of the same indoor suspended fixtures we talked about. With all these fixtures, there is light bouncing around in all directions, providing even a uniform illumination on both horizontal and vertical surfaces.
Most of these fixtures can be used with dimming controls for daylight harvesting and with occupancy sensors to maximize energy savings. Also, The notion of putting up these fixtures and not having any maintenance to do for years makes LEDs a very attractive option from a facilities standpoint.
Take a moment to study these pictures. You might come up with some innovative ways for using these light sources in your own world.
Now for an overview of GE retrofit downlights. These are used in a number of applications from hallways and lobbies to commercial and retail spaces. Often they use halogen or CFL technology, but LEDs are significantly more efficient and long-lived with no maintenance.
Another point is that the lumen ratings for these is the actual lumens coming out of the fixture. With CFL downlights, a lot of the lumens emitted by the lamp are trapped inside the fixture. They are rather inefficient.
It is possible to reduce wattage by half or more when converting CFL fixtures, and perhaps reduce by a factor of 5 or more when replacing incandescent and halogen fixtures.
Plus these LEDs have enormously longer lifetimes compared to CFL or halogen.
When it comes to downlights for new construction, GE's new DI series features infusion LED technology, a breakthrough modular design that allows for tool-free upgrade as the technology advances. This ensures the lowest total cost of ownership.
These units are available with round or square openings, and a special reflector can be chosen to make wall wash fixtures out of these.
They come in 4 different color temperatures: 2700 kelvins, 3000, 3500 and 4000 kelvins with a stunning 90 CRR color rendering index, and 50,000 hour life. Now for outdoor. The bread and butter of area lighters is the Model E, A, S, C, shown on the left. This comes in a wide variety of lumen packages and beam configurations. With the perfect beam control that LEDs offer, we can eliminate the big blob of light under the fixture that is seen in traditional area lighting, and we can get extremely uniform illumination across the parking lot. All these E, A, S, C fixtures are full cut-off, meaning there is no direct light going up into the sky, reducing light pollution, and spill light is practically eliminated by proper design.
These fixtures are offered at 4,000 or 5,000 kelvins.
Next, the E, A, N, A, and the E, F, N, A are different mounting configurations, area lighter or floodlight. Several lumen packages and beam distributions are available, up to 13,000 lumens.
With wall packs, GE offers 2 lines, a budget and a specification grade. Details can be found on GE's website.
And when it comes to decorative post-top fixtures, LEDs are also leading the way to offer attractive and efficient lighting for many cities and municipalities seeking to beautify their pedestrian sidewalks and their parks. These fixtures don't have the traditional glass housing seen on HID fixtures and are therefore easier to clean and maintain.
Again, you can find detail about all these and other GE fixtures and lamps on GE Lighting's website.
GE has always been an industry leader in roadway lighting, and with its new line of LED fixtures, GE again offers industry-leading design and performance. The Evolve LED streetlight ELR1 is optimized for customers requiring a basic LED solution for local and collector roadways, available in various beams distributions and packages from 3,000 to 8,500 lumens.
The specification grade ERS1 offers a scalable Cobra head that can go all the way up to 25,000 lumens for a 4-head unit. This modern design preserves the aesthetic look of traditional roadway Cobra head fixtures. It can be ordered with optional extra robust surge protection to protect against electrical storms and transients.
We end this module by briefly mentioning GE's light grid technology that can be used to monitor and manage thousands of fixtures from a central location. A small node mounted on top of each fixture collects data and sends it wirelessly to neighboring fixtures and to a gateway which can be monitored from a central office. It is possible to monitor and control performance, schedule maintenance, dim or turn off fixtures, and obtain live information on the condition of components.
Much more is possible, and the whole field of intelligent fixtures provides the base for the intelligent city of the future. We have come to the end of this first module on fixtures.
In the next module called GE Fixtures and Lamps 2, we will be covering the products shown on this page. Thank you for joining us. Tracy and I have no one to talk to unless instructed by the processor, and we appreciate this opportunity to test our pronunciation.
Yes, it has been fun, and thanks for listening. We will see you in the next module.